In the first part of this video, we built a brush that makes this kind of pattern that you can use as a frame. But if this brush should run in different directions, like here, then you need to build some corners that do not look very well. They are quite messy. Now, how can we improve that? As you see, in this case, the actual path is running through the center of those rectangles. And if we build a brush like that, as is described in the official documentation, then we always have to build one of the corners like this, because these yellow triangles will always be standing upright and those corner elements are always the same size, so it's not possible otherwise. But if we build these corner elements in a different way, then we can actually do that. So if we build this brush in a way that it does not run through the center of those rectangles, then we can pull this off. I'm going to first make these longer, and then we are going to make this corner smaller. So now the brush would no longer run through the center, but it will be around that corner. So let's make this here larger. Those will be the rectangles. I'm going to delete all of these. And now what we need to do is make this one smaller as well. And it also needs to be positioned here. And then this part here can run there. And it attaches to that corner here like this. And now we basically get exactly what we want. The only thing that's left is build the actual brush. I do no longer need these elements, but I need this rectangle, and we can delete these as well, and these parts as well, and this one here. And again, I'm going to take this here and just make a copy of that. And this can go as well. Again, we're going to first make clipping masks, and I'm going to copy the blue ones. So just edit, copy them, and then make clipping masks from these and paste in place. So let's take the Pathfinder panel and use the crop Pathfinder. And then let's take these blue rectangles, make them invisible, and arrange them to the back. And now we can start making the brush. So I'm starting with this element and then taking in that one here. And then we need to rotate this one like so, and holding down the Alt key, dragging it in here like this. And now I'm going to make a copy of this to check out that brush. And you see, we've got that nice brush that now has a nicer element here. Those are both yellow, and that is something that we cannot change here because those two are yellow. They need to be yellow so that it matches. And here they are both appearing side by side.